So now we are going to make cherry sauce. That's a really important component in making the black forest cake. Okay, so I have the ingredients ready here. That's cherries that's come from the canned cherries. Okay, so I've just removed the seeds and then cut the cherry fruit into smaller chunks, and that's the cherry syrup that's come from the canned cherries, and that's sugar and water to make sugar syrup, and this cherry syrup will also go into it, and that's vanilla and lemon juice which will be added at the end to thicken the sauce. We are making sauce. Okay, to thicken the sauce we are going to add a corn flour and this water mixed together in it to make a thick paste which is lump free, and then add it to get the sauce thick. Okay, so now to cook this I need to have the induction stove. I'm just going to add the water in, sugar, cherry syrup, and the chopped cherries as well. Now I'll wait until this boils and the sugar dissolves. While the cherry sauce step, this process is going on, I just want to add water into the corn flour and make a paste. So the corn flour is mixed and there is no lumps. Once this comes to a boil, I'm going to add this, and after it thickens I'm going to take it out of the stove and then add the lime juice and the vanilla extract. I'm just going to check if the sugar is dissolved fully. This is beginning to boil now. So it's boiling now. I'm going to mix up and then add the corn flour paste. You can see it's beginning to thicken. So once it cools down, it will thicken furthermore. So just wait, but you don't want to keep it like too runny. So allow it to thicken a bit more. So now you can see it's thickened and reduced a bit as well. Now this will further thicken once it's cooled down. So at this stage, add the lime juice and vanilla extract and then mix it up and transfer this into a airtight container and keep it in room temperature until it cools down to complete room temperature, and then keep it refrigerated. You want this to be really very cold and use it directly out of the fridge. So this will be part of the pre-preparation if you are going to make black forest cake, and cool this down. Once it's completely set inside the refrigerator, we'll get back and then see how to use this in the black forest cake assembly.